Welcome to Paradise Resort Gold Coast and our standard resort rooms located in Astro's Alley. Let's go! Astro's Alley is located at the front of our resort with the best access to our main entrance, Dusty's train station, Cleo's carousel, and our cardio gym. Our standard resort rooms will sleep up to 4 people and feature 1 queen bed plus 1 single bed. For the 4th person, you can choose from either a rollaway bed or a cot, depending on the needs of your family. These rooms have all been hooked up with a smart TV, as well as complimentary Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected to all your favourite apps such as Netflix and YouTube while you're on holidays. And although our rooms at Paradise Resort are hotel style, they are not equipped with a full kitchen. However, you'll still find a small bar fridge, kettle, and complimentary tea and coffee sachets to make your stay more comfortable. In the bathroom, you'll find a bathtub and shower all in one, plus bath and body products including bath towels, a hairdryer, hand soap, shampoo, and body wash, which will all be replenished as part of our daily housekeeping services. These rooms are also fitted with air conditioning to help beat that Gold Coast heat, as well as an ironing board, plus a balcony with tables and chairs. We refer to these rooms as no frills. If you'd like to save your money for a cheeky cocktail at the bar and looking for a simple, clean, and comfortable room to rest your head after a big day of activities, then this might be the room for you.